how to use dual apps in Android. So if you want to use dual apps in your Android, then what you need to do is you need to have the clone feature in your Android device. But if you don't have the clone feature, then you can simply go with your Play Store and install the application which is related to clone or dual apps or copy app, like that. So if you have the clone feature, then what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to that application that you would like to clone, or the app that you would like to have the dual app. Once you tap and hold on to that, you will have the app clone option. Tap on app clone. Once you tap on app clone, then 2 Facebook accounts will be added to your home screen. In the same way, if you tap and hold on to your Snapchat, you can go with app clone, and 2 Snapchat accounts will be added to your home screen. So you can see that I have 2 Snapchat apps, or 2 Facebook apps, or 2 Telegram apps, like that. If you don't have the clone option, you can simply go with your Play Store, search for dual app, and here you will have the dual apps. You can simply download this and then you can have dual apps in your Android. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.